up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1969 Malibu up for sale today. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Do a full walkthrough of this vehicle. If you like classic cars and want to buy classic cars, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. You'll see all of our new inventory as we get it in. You'll see all the posts on YouTube. This way you get access. So hit that subscribe button right now for me. And we will get started. Here we go. 1969 Chevy Malibu. This is not a Chevelle. It does have some features of the Chevelle. It's got the gauges of a Chevelle, I'll show you, but it's definitely a Malibu. Automatic transmission. It's got a 350 under the hood. It's beefy. It's got a nice cam. It's got the SS wheels. Beautiful burgundy color. Driver quality car. It's a perfect car to get in, have fun, enjoy it, and as time, fix it up. Doesn't need a whole lot, just needs a little bit of TLC. We'll start on the driver's side door. Got a couple little chips right here in the door. Down here, you got a couple paint coming apart from coming in and coming out. Got a little imperfection of the paint here. You can see my reflection in it. I would say that probably the paint is a solid 7 out of 10. We'll do the door test on it. Door shuts very well. I close it very light and it shuts the way it should. The gap is nice on this side, nice and even. The panels all look to be the same color. I don't see anything that stands out on this side. I don't see a lighter color that indicates the car was hit or anything. It was repainted in a section. This gap here, a little thin here. It gets a little bit bigger here and a little bit bigger at the end, but overall it looks normal. You can't really tell. This fender here has got a little superficial scratch, which could probably be buffed out. Doesn't look like it's in the paint. I don't know if you could even see it on camera. No bubbling, no rot. I don't see any rust on it. A little imperfection in the paint there. A little bit there. You got a chip right there. Looks like it was filled in. Now, there was a chip up here I did fill in earlier. I don't know if you see that. The paint was coming apart. But I didn't do anything else. I filled that chip in. I'm waiting for it to dry. This way it blends in a little bit better. Tires are in great condition. They're pretty much, I don't know, brand new it seems like. They look like newer tires, BF Goodrich. Nice SS wheels that are in great shape. I don't see any curb rash or anything. Looking at the hood. Hood sits real nice. It's nice and even on this side, the front, and on that side, driver's side. The gaps look pretty even. I don't see too much. I do notice a little couple, looks like acorn dings on the hood. I'm guessing this is an aftermarket hood. I don't know if this is original to the car. Once we pop open the hood, we'll look. Grill looks in good shape. Lights are in good shape. I don't see any cracks or any damage. Chrome, good shape as well. Passenger side fender, good shape. I don't see any flaws. Tires in great shape. Rims in good shape as well. So far, guys, just a solid driver. It's not a perfect car by any means, but it's a good driver. This gap, good shape. Now this does need to be replaced here. The rubber for the window. You got the rubber here also. Now, I did notice this when I pulled this door off, it did sag down a little bit. So let's see if that'll shut right. That shut great, actually. When I pulled it off, I felt it drop just maybe 1/8 of an inch, but it shuts perfect. Gap is good. A little imperfection there, as you can see. Little imperfection there. Very, very minor imperfections. Going to the back quarter, I do see a little sand mark here. You can barely see it. If you're a body guy, you probably can see it, but it looks like it maybe, I probably did. Had some sand work done here when it was painted. They didn't do a bad job, but they didn't also do a great job. But I've seen a lot worse. You can, if I didn't point this out, I don't think you would be able to see it. Let me know if you guys see that. Moving on. Good shape. I don't see any flaws there. Overall, like I said, the body is just a solid driver. The worst part's going to be on the interior. I'll show you the seats cut. Tires in good shape. Wheels in great shape. This chrome bezel needs to be replaced on both sides, and you got to get the emblem here. A little chip there, which I did not fill in. Back to the driver's side quarter. Quarter's in good shape. A little bit of dirt there, but I don't see any rot or rust. A little imperfection here. This one's in better shape than the last. Again, I don't see any Bondo or anything. It's just a little bit of the sand marks you can see, the block work. You can see it right here a little bit. Again, it's hard to see unless you know what you're looking for. You really can't tell up on it until you get real close. Probably an inch or two away. Wheel, again, is in good shape. Tires in good shape. And that brings us back here. Let's climb under the car real quick. Take a quick peek underneath. We're in good shape. Frame rail's in good shape. Doesn't look like there's a bunch of under spray or any kind of rust. There's your rear end right there. So you get a peek of that. Gas tank. Ugh. Frame rail's perfect. No issues at all. Floors look good. Undercarriage is solid. This is a perfect car if you just want to drive it, enjoy it, and over time do a little bit of work to it. It's got great bones for sure. Onto the interior. Door panel showing a little bit of wear on the inside in there. Malibu. Inner door's good. No rust, no rot. You know what, before we get in, let me open up the hood. Also, let me show you the trunk before I do a full in-depth of the inside. This is all solid. Now, what I would recommend to do on this, I get this out. I don't know why they put this here. And I would get that nice paint that has that sparkles in it. That trunk paint, and make this real nice, because it's all solid. There's no rot or anything. Everything looks nice. Maybe the car was blue originally. I don't know. What do you guys think? I've never seen a blue trunk lock. Interesting. I got the hood open. Two-hand job on that one. Nice 350. Nice valve covers, power steering, power brakes. Looks like an upgraded radiator. And it's got a nice cam in it. So when we start it up, you'll hear. Up here looks solid. There's the paint code, buck tag. On this cowl, you got a little piece starting right there. And then I see some of that blue, so I think this car's probably blue. You can see in there. That would be my guess, without pulling the buck tag. Let's assume these are in bad shape. Yeah, they are. So you need to reupholster the seats. Back seat doesn't look too bad. Let's check the dash pad. Dash pad looks good. No radio. We're showing 37,899 miles, which by this time that has way more miles. Probably got 130,000 on the body, maybe 230 on the body. The engine doesn't look like it's original. Headliner, it's got a cut, needs to be repaired. All right, start this puppy up. Nice little cam in it. And it sounds absolutely great. Woo! So gas gauge is working. It was on low. We put gas in it earlier, so we know that works. We'll try the turn signal. I just put the left turn signal on. I don't see anything on the dash lighting up. Let's see. Negative. Right turn signal. Okay, so turn signals need to be addressed. Horn works. Lights work. Oh, 3 lights work. So bulb's out in this one. That bulb needs to be replaced. The wipers is not working, so I'm guessing the switch that controls the turn signals and wipers need to be fixed. And then looks like no AC or HVAC. I don't feel any noises in the power steering or anything. Door closes great. Guys, it's a solid car for somebody that's ready to put a little TLC into it and make it a real nice car. If you're interested, let me know. Go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. It'll be up on our website. Price is in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's try to go on a quick test drive. Let's see if I can get somebody to go with me. All right, guys. Goes in the gear nice. I'm a one-man show today, so I'm gonna do my best to go on a quick test drive for you guys to open it up. Now, my client that sold this to me, he drove this about 75 miles to our shop. So I know it'll make a far distance, that's for sure. Looks like a front end alignment is due. I don't know why he wouldn't do that for. I don't get it why people drive like that. I don't know if you noticed it, but that's a simple front end alignment. It'll get that steering wheel nice and straight, hopefully. Sorry, that's my rant of the day, guys. But car sounds really good. Brakes feel good. It's got good throttle response. Tranny shifts nice. It's beefy too. It's actually a pretty good driver, guys. Like, first thing I do, fix the steering wheel, take it for a front end alignment, get the turn signals and the wipers working. Good. Trying to do this with one hand, guys, but I didn't gun it all the way. I just put a little bit of pressure onto the throttle and it responded very nice. Couple quick fixes and you got a nice car here. Take this car anywhere. Like I said, he drove it 70 miles to our shop, so as far as reliability, I think this is it. Do a couple quick fixes and you got a solid car. You can cruise around summertime, enjoy it, take it to shows, because it's a good looker and it sounds great. And it being a Malibu, you're getting a good deal instead of buying a Chevelle. If you're interested, do me a favor, give me a call. My direct number is 215-801-9493, or give Chris a call, my son, 267-623-7125. You don't deal with any salespeople, just me and him. We're the owners of the company. Appreciate you checking out our page. If you like it, subscribe. I will talk to you guys later.